die too young. 100 miles per hour, might smash if the kid die young. The kid die young. Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'm a big place, I'm a name in the stone. My name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. My name in the stone.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Friday night. We're here back with the 7.3. It's the 11th, and I'm trying to make it to Mid-Pine Spring Break Bash on the 27th and 28th. I think that's the weekend. And nothing's ready. The car is not finished, the trailer's not finished, and the truck still has a few small things. So we're gonna be going hard at night and this weekend, trying to get the majority of the stuff done and hopefully try and make it to Mid-Pine. In tonight's video, it's pretty quick and simple. I have a Curt Discovery brake controller, and then I went ahead and got the plug-and-play harness for the F250 because I didn't feel like splicing, and it was like 10 bucks, so hey, why not? So first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and pop our beautiful matching cover off. Hey, at least I got a cover. And then all we gotta do is go right up here. There's your factory harness with the wires coming out, ready for the brake controller. It goes through this little frame portion, and then there's our little gray plug right there. Here's our old harness. I'm gonna keep it in case I ever do need to splice one in. And here's our long new harness. Longer than it needs to be, but oh well. So the first thing I'm gonna do is feed this new harness. Get off. Feed this new harness through a little spot in the frame, or the dash support, whatever you want to call it. Put that through. I got it right here. So then I'm gonna plug it up. It's real hard. You gotta plug something up. That's crazy. Alright, now that that's plugged, we're gonna run this through the back. Probably have to zip tie it a little bit, take some of the slack out. Actually, might not have to. We'll go see. And then I'm gonna put my brake controller right here on the center piece of the dash. I got the bracket on the controller for a second to make sure that's where I want it. It's looking good, so I'm gonna mount this left side first, and then make sure it's sitting flush like with eyesight, because it's gonna be a little bit off on the dash when I'm putting it. And then put the second screw in, put the controller back on. You want to leave enough room to get to this right bolt though, because I got a module right here. The controller is now installed. I got it plugged up, simple plug and play. I zip tied it right there and then tucked the wire up a little bit in the dash. It's good, it's not gonna go anywhere. And then to test the controller, once you have it installed on the truck, I don't know if you can see it. It's getting brake signal, so it is working. And then once I have it plugged up to the trailer, once I finish the trailer wiring, taillight wiring tomorrow, I can go ahead and pull it in front of the trailer and see, double check, make sure it's sending a signal. I gotta rewire the trailer brakes, the breakaway switch, and the tail lights. But yeah. Well, that was easy enough. I wish all the tasks were that easy. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all take it easy. Hit the like and subscribe button on y'all's way out. Peace.